What's this place called? What's this place called? Kew Gardens, isn't it?
This is the Kew Garden Kid.
Come on, let's go to the garden.
Card.
Look at this big tree, isn't it? It's a big tree, isn't it, Savannah? Yeah. Right, let's go. Hey, careful. We just went there.
Daisy.
Daisies?
Yeah.
Is it all the daisies?
Yeah.
They look nice.
So what are they doing in there?
They're open because the sun's up.
Look, dandelion. I saw dandelion.
Do you see dandelions? Be careful.
But I want to go on the red one.
Ooh.
We can lie down on these.
What are you doing? Are you relaxing? Hello.
Hello, old lady. What are you doing?
So I'm presuming.
Come on, come this way. Come on. You gonna jump? You did it! Gina.
Okay. No. What?
You gotta be careful.
Yeah. It's a boiler basically. It's got no. It says something about like the water flow or it's got something with the boiler basically. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't think it's rained that way.
Careful. I'll hold your hand. Ooh. Oh, are you scared? Can't do it. Careful, Savannah. You wanna get down? Yeah, I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll help you get down.
I'm not thinking to do that.
No. Bad idea? Careful. Ooh. Right. Oh. So you're gonna climb around, you're gonna climb across. Good job.
I'm really good at it.
You're very good at it, yeah.
You don't like to.
I'm not very good at it, no.
Take the wanderer with me.
I can't do it with you, it's for children. Good job.
I'm gonna wait for you.
Oh, well done. Then you're gonna climb, then you're gonna grab that, then you're gonna climb.
I don't want to do that one.
No? Do you want to do this one?
Mummy?
Yeah.
What's that one there?
You wanna go on there again?
No, you can come
I
with
can't
me.
come with you. I'm not allowed. It's only for children.
Come.
I can't. I'll come this way. I'll come this way.
Very good.
Yeah. Well done. Come down this way. Can you have to climb down here? Can you climb down here?
I'm doing it, Mom.
Yeah.
I like it.
Have you figured it out?
I'm really good.
So good.
Mom, did
Yeah.
you do this when you was a kid?
Yeah, when I was a kid, yeah. Savannah, you don't walk on that, Savannah. That's where the water goes. Yeah?
Are you lying?
No, I'm being serious.
No, you're not.
There's a pump up here. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. Mummy got you up there. Now what are you doing? There's no water. No water?
You need to buy her some water.
You getting up there?
Yes. We'll take it.
The steps. Oh, almost. Careful. There she. Good job.
Yeah, do you want me to help you? Oh, you want to make a sandcastle? Come on. Okay, that's your one. Come on. Come on, Mama.
Hey, that's not clean. Throw that back.
This is the chocolate cafe. London Graham. Hello. What do you want?
Can I have a tea?
Okay. I'm making some.
Thanks. Can I have milk and 2 sugars?
Put more sugar, more milk, more.
Chocolate cafe, but I asked for a tea.
That is tea.
That is it. You just said it's a chocolate cafe.
There's a chocolate tea cafe.
Chocolate tea cafe.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Drink it. Just pretend. Just pretending.
Mm.
Boys and girls, where are we, Dad? Where are we? Where are we, Dad?
We're in Camden Town.
And I got ice cream from Mommy.
You enjoying it?
Uh-huh.
%20 off. They're nice. They're yummy.
Eat the broccoli.
What have you got? What have you got? Have you got veggie noodles and veg?
It's Gina's.
What's in your food though? Noodles. Yummy? And you got vegetables as well with tofu.